We tickles. Oh, what was that? You heard a sound?
Oh.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Just mama. It's not a big deal. Hey,
It's just me.
I'm here. I'm here. You want to get back to tickles? Hmm? What's
Hi, baby.
yeah. Need another kiss? There you go.
Oh,
Yeah, now you can
that's
do
so
the tickles.
cute.
No, all right now. There's a good.
What are you doing, you goofy guy?
He's being silly. Silly boy.
Silly guy.
You were wanting tickles until you heard the camera turn on. And now you're like, no, no, no. So I sit here and look at each other? We can do that. Though I don't think you're looking at me, are you?
I think he's looking at the camera.
Are you looking at the camera? Yeah. Figuring out what mama's doing. You want to fist bump again? Boop. There we go. Oh, now are you ready?
There we go. Tickle.
Where are you going?
It's just gonna roll over.
So, how about now? Oh, gotta rub your beak for a little bit? Yeah, you wanna lick my hand, huh?
What?
Yeah, you look at my thumbs. Yeah. Wow.
You a somersault?
Somersault. Yeah, we did a somersault. That was silly. You gonna lick my hand some more, weirdo? Why are you licking my hand? Is that another type of kisses from you? Yeah? Do you watch the doggy doing that? And you're like, I'll do that too. I'll give daddy kisses like the doggy does. Can I have a real kiss? Thank you.
Oh.
Yeah, thank you for the real kiss. Thank you for the kisses. You sweet guy. What's up? Are you getting tired? You're being very quiet. So silly. You are so silly. Should we do a hot dog? Ready? We do hot dog. Hot dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good hot dog. Yeah, good hot dog.
He's just being real cool, real chill and quiet tonight.
Yeah, you being all chill. Did daddy traumatize you by trying to read a book to you? Yeah. Maybe the Lorax wasn't the best of choices.
There are too many voices involved.
The voices were not good choices?
Yeah, I don't think he liked them. Oh. You can hear Feeny snoring in the background too. Merlin, you're a good boy.
Hi.
Your precious little quiet. Ooh, your favorite song. Yeah.
Where are you going? You go to the couch?
Hey, you coming to me? Nobody drives to the middle of nowhere just to turn around. Good boy, turn around. Nobody sleeps in the middle of the bed when they got someone else